This is a hard drive, like the one probably in the computer you may be using to watch this video. Inside, they contain very strong rare earth magnets that can easily be sourced and removed. Don't worry, this one is broken. It doesn't work anymore. You can get broken ones from many places, such as old computers that don't work anymore, or even eBay for very cheap. For this tutorial, you'll need a broken hard drive and a screwdriver with a T6 and T9 bit. First, start by removing the top cover. There's also a little tricky screw hidden underneath the sticker as well. Once the cover is removed, you can see the magnet right here. Proceed to remove the little metal piece by unscrewing it. Then you gotta switch your bit over to the T6 and undo the screw holding down the platter and remove it. Once that is done, simply lift up the arm and proceed to get the magnet out. You may need the help of a screwdriver if it gets stuck. And there you go. You got a strong rare earth magnet from a junk hard drive, which would usually be either recycled or just thrown away. If you liked the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content like this.